on my iPad. Hey, I'm going to be showing you how you can test out Universal Control yourself. What you will need is obviously an iPad and a Mac, or maybe two Macs. All you gotta do is follow the instruction. Okay guys, first things first, you got to open up Safari. It has to be Safari, can't be any other browser. Then you need to go to beta.apple.com. From here, you scroll down and press sign up, and then continue with Touch ID. Press iPadOS, and then please enroll your device. Now make sure you have a backup. iCloud backup works just fine, but this is telling you you can back up on your Mac. You can do that also. And then install profile. You're going to want to press download profile and then allow. Okay, so next thing you want to do is you want to open up your settings, and then you want to go down to general and then VPN and device management. You're going to see a thing that says downloaded profile. What you want to do is tap here and then press install. Enter your passcode. You just read this. I already read it. So install, and then you don't actually need to restart. All you gotta do is go back to general and then go to software update. And there it is right there. We have iPadOS 15.4. You press download and install, enter your passcode, and all you gotta do is wait. macOS. So first things first, please do a time machine backup because macOS tends to be a little bit buggier. First things first, open Safari, and then you want to go to beta.apple.com. Scroll down and press sign up, continue with Touch ID, go to macOS, enroll your Mac, it's hidden right here. Download the macOS public beta utility, mount your disk like this, and then double click on this. Remember, please do a time machine backup. It will remind you right here if you did not do the backup. Press continue, agree, install, enter your password, and you'll see it's right here. macOS Monterey 12.3 beta. And then update now, agree. Now make sure you have a time machine backup. On iPadOS, once your beta is done installing, all you gotta do is press install now, and then do everything on the screen. I can't record this part, unfortunately. Once it's done downloading, all you gotta do is click restart now, enter your password once again. Now I'm actually going to show you how to use Universal Control. So first things first, you want to go to System Preferences, go to Displays, and then click Add Display. You're going to see these TVs down here, but you're going to see something new. Link Keyboard and Mouse. Click Willie Apple's iPad Mini A15, or whatever your iPad is called, and Universal Control. So whatever is the default macOS screensaver is actually your iPad right here, and right here is my MacBook. If my iPad was right here, this is where I would put my iPad. Now let me show you the cooler way of setting up Universal Control. So I put it on this side for demonstration purposes, and I'm actually gonna keep moving my mouse, keep holding it here, and you're gonna see it detects that my iPad is right here. And I can just use my iPad right here, just like that. Now what exactly would you use Universal Control for? So I have a picture of Craig Federighi right here, and I can just move it straight to my iPad really effortlessly, and Craig Federighi is right here. Not only is it basically just AirDrop, you can actually take a file, put it in here, and this is an email. I have Craig Federighi in this email, and I could just send it to myself. This also works with notes. I can put this picture of Craig Federighi right here, and it's in these notes. Your keyboard also works as well. Same with volume controls. Emojis also work with the function key. You could just add emojis. That's a new emoji right there. What about bugs with Universal Control? I was unable to find any bugs with Universal Control. It's been really smooth, except at school where the Wi-Fi is really horrible. The workaround for bad Wi-Fi is plugging your iPad into your Mac. Now, what about bugs inside of iPadOS or macOS? So the only bug I can find is placeholder text for this new feature right here. It seems like something for the Touch ID button. Basically, it's just placeholder text. Only bug I can find, not a big deal. This beta is actually the best beta I've seen for beta 1 so far. What I'm going to show you next is how to restore from a backup on macOS. Also keep in mind, Apple releases a new beta every week, so maybe the second beta or the third beta will help as well. Now let's say you found a really major bug in macOS Monterey. So I'm going to show you how to restore back with your time machine restore point. So first things you want to do is determine if you have a globe icon. This is important to get into recovery mode. Press the Apple menu, go to restart, and restart. And then you're going to see continue holding for startup options. And then once it says loading startup options, you can let go of whatever key you have. And then you're going to see this screen on an M1 Mac. You want to go to options, press continue, select the user you know the password for, and then you're going to see this screen. You want to click on Restore from Time Machine Backup and then press Continue. Continue. Plug your Time Machine Backup into your Mac, and you're going to see your Time Machine Backup show up right here. All you gotta do is click on it and then continue and follow the instructions. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think about Universal Control down in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in my next video.